Hello friends and welcome back to the Techligent channel. So friends, should I be talking about MINISFORUM small form factor PC with 16 core desktop AMD Ryzen 9 9950X CPU. So friend, MINISFORUM has announced MS-A1 is a compact PC with a desktop AM5 socket, and the company has already launched the Ryzen 7 8700G version, which is generally the best choice for most users due to its powerful 8-core configuration and capable integrated graphics. So friend, this model it comes with 16 core processor and Gen 5 cores and compatible with the same socket without requiring any motherboard changes, and the only limitation is the CPU reduced TDP of 100 watt, which is 70 watt below the official specification. And the mini PC include 4 M.2 SSD slot and one OCuLink connector, enhancing its appeal for storage-focused use cases. And the MS-A1 barebone is priced around $259 US. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.